How to restore deleted Safari history on iPhone. So first of all, let's go ahead and into our Safari and let's search for something in Google. Let's say for example like Facebook. Okay, and I will just demonstrate how that happens. Let's say for example you open the Facebook and accidentally you could just you close that tab and you wanted to get it back, right? Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here you open a new tab, right? Click on the double tap right here at the below right corner and you're gonna see right here a plus button. Don't click on it, okay? Hold it, okay? And if you hold it, you're gonna see right here your latest search history. You're gonna see right here I searched for Facebook, so I'm gonna just click on it and it will direct me to my search result inside Google, and now I'm entering the Facebook and now I can log in or get back to the article that I was reading before. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.